Question 1. Which of the following expression is equivalent to 2/3 times a square minus a minus 3 plus 1/3 times a square plus 2a plus 6? This is an algebraic expression and we have to solve this one, but we have several options. But we have no good time, we have short time. So what can we do? Look, this denominator is 3 and this denominator is 3, so we can write here 3. Okay, and here is summation, right? We can write summation here. Look, both LCM is 3, so we just add two fractions. So here is 2a square minus 2a and minus 6, and here is a square plus 2a plus 6. Look, this minus 2a and this plus 2a will out, minus 6 plus 6 out. So here is 2a square plus a square, it will 3a square divide 3. It means the answer is a square. Which one is a? Okay, done. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve these kinds of at least 6 math, which is very important for examination. Number 2. Here is, which of the following expression is equivalent to 5.4 times x minus 2y minus 2.7 times x minus 3y? So which one is correct? Look, here is 5.4 and here is 2.7. We know if we divide 5.4 by 2.7, it will be 2. So in this case we can take common 2.7, right? So here 5.4 divide 2.7, it will be 2, right? Then x minus 2y, then minus, we already common 2.7, so here is only x minus and minus plus 3y. Okay, so look, here is 2.7, here is 2x minus 4y minus x plus 3y. So here is 2.7, 2x minus x, it means x, minus 4y plus 3y, it means minus y. So our right answer is 2.7 times x minus y, which is number B. Okay, clear? Have any question? If have any question, just put on your question or comments in the comments box. Number 3. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 1 divide 2 times 2a plus 3b plus 4c minus 3 by 2 times b plus 2c? Look, here denominator is 2 and here is also 2, so our LCM is 2. So in this case, here is 2a plus 3b plus 4c minus, here is 3b and minus 3 times 2, it means 6c, right? Now look, here is 2a, so here is no a, so we can write this one is, so just we can write, look, here is 2a, 2a plus 3b minus 3b out, minus 6c plus 4c, it will be minus 2c, divide 2. So what will be the answer? Once we take common 2, here is a minus c, divide 2, so it will be out. Our answer is a minus c, which is what? Number D, right? Very easy. Number 3 done. Now number 4. Number 5. Which of the following expressions is not equivalent to 3 times 6a minus 3 times 1 minus a minus 5 times a plus 1 and the bracket has closed. What does mean in this quotient? It means once we simplify this expression, here a, b, c and d maximum will similar, but except something. So first we have to complete this one. Here is 3 and we can write here is 6a minus 3 plus 3a minus 5a minus 5. Okay, so here is what? Here is 6a plus 3a, it means 9a. 9a minus 5, it means 4a, and here is 3. Okay, and then minus 5 minus 3, it means minus 8. Look, the finally we get 12a minus 24. Now we can check which one is similar. 12a minus 24, this is a similar, so a is okay. Now look, 24a, 24 times a minus 1 by 2. Once we multiply this one, so number b, what will happen? Here is 24a and 24 times 1 by 2, it will become 12. So number b is not okay. Similar thing, number c, once we multiply a minus 2 by 12, so here is 12a and 12 times 2 means 24a. So number c is okay. Again 24 times 1 by 2, it will become 12 and then a, and similar 24 times minus 1, it will become minus 24. So number d also okay. So everything will be okay except what? Number b. Okay, clear this one? Now number 6, which of the following expression is not equivalent to p minus 2 by 3 times 2p minus 3q minus 1 by 3 times p plus 4q? This one also similar thing. First we have to express this one. Look, here is denominator 3 and 3, we can directly write 3, so here is 3p minus 2 times 2, it means 4p, minus and minus, it will become plus 6q, right? Then minus p, then minus 4q. Okay, so what will be the answer? Here is denominator is 3, so 3p and minus p, it will what? It will 2p. Okay, then here is also another thing. Look, we already here is also minus 4p. So look, 3p and minus 4p minus p, so it will become minus 2p. How? Minus 4p and minus p, it will become 5p and minus 3p. So 3p minus 5p, it means minus 2p. Okay, and then here is 6q minus 2q, so here is plus 2q. Okay, divide 3. So number a is okay. How? Because minus 2 divide 3, once we take common, here is minus 2, so here it will become minus 2 and p minus q divide 3. So number a is okay. Again, if we separate both fraction, so this one also what? Okay. How? Minus 2 divide 3p plus 2 divide 3p, once we take common, minus what? once you take on minus 2 by 3, so it will become P minus Q, right? So number B okay. Number C is not okay, because here is minus, once both are not minus, here is minus 2P and plus 2Q, so Q is not okay. It means Q and our answer is not similar. Similar thing, minus D, sorry, number D is okay. How? Here is minus, so 2 divide 3P, and minus plus 2 divide 3Q. So here only C is not our right answer. So no more today. We are trying to solve 6 math of multiple choice algebraic expression. So next video we are trying to solve more and more these types of math for exam preparation. You should keep practice at home consciously and should hard work at home. If you like this video, don't forget subscribe the channel.